Estos animales muerden. They muerden. Wow. Dude, that guy's finger is scary looking. Muerden.
Do you know 100 million years
Whoa,
ago,
that is a nice
that guy
zoom.
evolved from a fish?
That guy evolved into a fish?
He evolved from a fish 100 million years ago.
How do I know your math is right?
My math. Oh, my math.
He said this pecan over here.
Pecan. The pecan.
Pecan used to be a fish, and now it's not.
100 million years ago. It was a
Pecan.
Shayla.
Shayla, is that pecan over there used to be a fish?
Right?
Did that
100 million years ago, that thing evolved.
did that pecan used to be a fish?
Dude, that pecan.
Dude, that pecan?
There's not a pecan nut over there.
That's definitely a pecan.
It's not a pecan.
You don't know what a pecan is?
It's pronounced pecan.
No, it's a pecan.
No, it's okay. Whatever.
Pecan. Okay, I'm done. Oh, Gannon, this one's competing with the other waterfall. Thank you. This one's getting up there on size. I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know if that's a winner though.
Whoa. What is that?
That's a.
It's a plant?
There's a bug there.
No.
Oh, there is a bug.
Right
See? I know a bug when I see a bug.
Right.
What's funny is you guys are fascinated to see a bug just as much as I am.
Oh, he's a lot faster.
You're cheating.
Oh, I'm cheating.
Don't hit me.
The landfill.
Don't hit me. That's me.
I won what?
I just called myself a trash can. Michael, we should have like really little kid music going. It's like ding, ding, ding.
No wait, it's pop.
That'd be pretty funny. I think we got it.
Come on.
We need that music.
We just doing it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Make your remix right now. Oh, I just got it. That was actually pretty on point. Where'd she go?
Join me, my minions.
No, thank you.
It's like, now that you called me that, no.
Look at these little kids. Look at them.
Plan it.
Go.
Do something different.
What is this?
Get original. This is so stupid. Yeah, what's the point?
It's all point of no return now.
Oh, why are you guys following her?
Because I want to see that.
No, not the elephants. No. You can see elephants in children's books. On your mark, get set, go. Who's gonna win? I think Gannon's gonna win. He's the McDonald's. He has stamina. Oh! Oh!
Gannon, you can cheat. It's okay. Or not. Okay.
Yeah, he's like, I'm gonna. You cheater.
Go Gannon!
Gannon, go!
Floppy hair.
Oh, but he's finishing his. No. Okay.
First place.
Okay, let's go.
That's kind of cute.
Uh-huh.
That's like an elephant.
It's a chinchilla.
Chinchilla elephant. It's endangered. No wonder.
You're over there with the lady. I've been like, hey, lady.
Wait, hold on. Michael, just say something.
No.
Hold on. Wait. Just
Yeah, that's the life. Michael, can you do parkour? Oh.
Wait.
You have to land.
No. There's behind you.
Shayla's doing parkour.
Let's go.
Bethany's just relaxing.
Oh, I'm too short.
Too short.
Oh.
Shoes are slippery.
I'm staying up your backpack. Dude, don't stop. It's weighing you down. You just fling it everywhere.
Action.
Yeah, what time is
Like gold.
Tiger Wooden.
Oh my gosh, not funny.
Tiger Woods.
Shayla, have her words, not that again.
Yeah, no, it's oh bother or oh no or why or don't do that or
Becker.
why that again or Becker.
Like why?
Or Gannon.
Yeah. This is. Are we taking turns? I'll get in line.